Hey, you're the one who's been hacking droids. We're tracking you and that data pad. Copy that. Don't support the resistance. Because if you do, that would mean you don't support the First Order. And you do support the First Order. Don't you?
Since our arrival, we have restored control and peace. And peace. That safety is what the Resistance threatens to destroy. We cannot let them succeed. So, while you may have come to Batu on holiday, we are here on business. The Resistance has been reduced to a handful of stragglers with no hope of standing against us. And yet, we believe they are making the useless attempt to regroup and draw others to their hopeless cause. The stormtroopers, under my command, are on my orders searching this outpost to ensure that does not happen. I expect your compliance. Am I making myself clear? Good. Then you will cooperate.
Indeed.
Troopers!
The spy was tracked here. A small outpost on a small planet. Your mission was clear.
Someone has information. I will
You will await further orders. I will see this outpost for myself.
Yes, sir. Troopers! You will escort the Supreme Leader. Let this be a lesson to you all. The First Order will use its full power to find out anything it needs to know. Carry on with your day, and you are stopped for questioning. I suggest you listen to your orders. That's affirmative. Fall back!
Called a Kowakian monkey lizard.
A Quackian
Kowakian monkey lizard.
monkey lizard.
It's from one of the ancient ones. I believe something called the Jabba the Hutt. He had a pet of these and they became very popular. Do you want to go back to Jabba the Hutt? He likes it, yeah.
Look guys, there's stormtroopers up there. Ah, me.
I want information. Do not fail, Lieutenant. Are we clear?
Troopers! I want recon and patrol unit to question anyone you find suspicious. If you don't believe them, detain them. We have room in the prisoner transport for them or for you. Is that understood?
technical difficulty. Boring conversation anyway. Aha! Another group of flight candidates! Welcome, my friends. Welcome, welcome. What a fine-looking group of flying professionals. You remind me of me, but without the bounty on your heads. Recognize a few of you. You've flown for me before. I can't believe you made it back. It's good you made it back. Good for you.
One of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. This is... Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. For some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? No, the First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you are successful,
Whoever makes the dream
your
work.
reward will be astronomical.
Space travel experience. Okay, sometimes Honda doesn't require it, so it's always good for our paychecks if you do.
This is super cool. Smile.
I couldn't get it. I hope this one.
Welcome.
I'm sorry, I couldn't get it.
Come
I don't care.
Come closer.
Come closer.
Everybody ready to fly a sonic jump?
Good
Yes.
luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you play the back. Pilots, line up behind the tank. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get the move on, and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you.
Anybody flight crew ready for you? Come on in. We'll take my pilots to the front, gunners in the middle.
Booyah!
I have Stormy gunners and my engineers. Perfect. You can press your flashing buttons.
That is up. Time is money.
Don't crash!
No pressure!
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing button.
What flashing button?
That can be faster.
Whatever splash indicated.
Okay.
Right pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot, move your sticks to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull you back on the fly down. Weapons are online.
Mission is to not crash.
Left pilot, hit the
Fly up!
Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting. To us. Take it easy, Doctor. There it is, after that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Now, guys, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brace. Oh, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. The cargo's been working, shooting. Yes. We got the Tuasia. I will grab it. You keep up the train. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. I've got to get out of there. Distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. The goal is it's coming down.
What's going on? I can't tell.
Left hand. Hit the boosters. Boost. We made it. Alex, don't believe it, but we made it. Coming down. Let's get out of here. Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Chewie's right. We cannot let them follow us back to the resistance.
Shit, Kylie! Lexi, stop. I'm jealous! You have more than me!
Near the end of the belt. Kubo!
Stop
He's
it!
the last. Did it! Watch out! Oh, that's going to be the last. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you only for damaging without guarantees. Hey, not bad.
Y'all did very bad.
Whatever. Let's get that bad. Oh,
The goal was to not crash.
Yeah, you guys did wonderful.
No, you're ridiculous.
Scan the exterior of the Falcon for
How many
light
kills did you get? I got 19.
You see, this happens sometimes when you
Shut up!
of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not usual to find a
You're not allowed
space
to.
species
You're
or two
stuck.
clinging to the hull. Nothing. But keep looking. The last thing I want is to let another radar loose in here. I am not cleaning that up. Did you hear that? It's right over my cockpit.
Are we not done yet?
Yeah, we're done. We're fine.
Whoa!
Alright,
Looks like we're ready to
your
unload.
seatbelt together. You're flying cargo and you're gonna exit into the lab.
That was so cool.
We did so good.
We did the best.
We did. Oh, I'm sorry. You might get paid this much. Better than nothing.
Yeah, I think Hondo might recruit you again.
Who knows?
Alright, next time I will pilot.
We did so good, y'all. Y'all hit almost everything.
Right?
Everything.
Mia, this thing's buzzing.
Wait.
That bad?
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Music provided by No Copyright Music. Press that like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you.
So you can catch our random live streams. Take care and we'll see you real soon.
I think I lost my family. And right now,
Is that the stream?
no.
Turn around.
That's
What is yours? Senna.
our Disney Adventures.
Oh, I think I follow you guys.
Really?
I think so, yeah. Uh-oh, what'd we lose? I didn't knock your hat off.
I lost my family.